Thread the power cord through the hole on the canopy. Thread the power cord through the H-shaped fastener and fasten the cord with the fastener. Connect the long black wire from the switch to the power cord L with a P3 wire nut and wrap the wire nut with insulated rubber tape. Connect the white wire from the light fixture to the power cord N with a P3 wire nut and wrap the wire nut with insulated rubber tape. Drill holes on the wall according to size of drywall anchors and gently tap the plastic drywall anchors into the hole with a hammer. Drill another small hole for the ground wire screw. Attach the mounting plate to the junction box and secure with the screws. Loosen the screw for securing the ground wire, wrap the ground wire onto the screw and then tighten the screw. Secure the nuts to mount the canopy to the wall. The power cord is for external power source.